Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for March 16th to 28th. The pattern across the nation, consisting of a ridge and a trough in the west, is expected to transition to a more progressive pattern for March 16th to 20th. A trough in the east will remain in place, resulting in below normal temperatures. This is in the short range now. A wave in the lower Mississippi Valley and the southern plains over the weekend is forecast to organize over the Gulf Coast states on Sunday before lifting into the Middle Atlantic Sunday night. There's still some uncertainty as to how far north this low tracks. The 0Z GFS and the European keep a strong ridge over the area suppressing the storm track. However, the 0Z Canadian has a ridge further north, allowing the storm to push further north. This track will be a colder track. A system moving into the west will allow for cooler and wetter conditions. So now we're looking at the period for March 19th to the 23rd, and the ensembles forecast de-amplification of the flow with the ridge over Alaska and a trough over the northwest and eastern North America for March 19th to 23rd. So here we are at the 19th, and you can see our ridge here, and our trough. And then we go to the 20th, and we still have the pattern, the 21st. And then we go to the 22nd, and you see the flow starts to flatten here, probably with a weak ridge over here across south central states. We still have our ridge here negatively tilted. We're going to go to now the 23rd, and the flow generally is almost zonal, which still a weak trough. I got to get back to that one. A weak trough over the northwest and the northeast. So during this forecast, that's just a GFS, and this is a GFS ensembles. This model is out of service. This is the European deterministics, and this is the European ensembles. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures for this region for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation across this area here, and above normal precipitation for the upper Mississippi Valley. Now I'm going to look at the period for March 24th to 28th. So again, I got to move this over. Let's see how much I can fit in here. And here we are at the 24th. And you can still see we have still like a zonal flow here with our trough and a trough here over the northeast. And we also go now to the 26th. Now, one thing to note is that the European ensembles still hangs on to this amplified pattern with above normal heights here across the southwest with a broad trough covering much of the northern and eastern northeast U.S. But I think this is the outlier. I think the pattern would be more similar to what's going on here. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures across this region and above normal temperatures for the southeast for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the Four Corners area and above normal precipitation for this region here. Oh, one thing to note, this is an interesting thing I want to show you. This is the CFS, and this goes out to like 30 days in advance. And look at the temperatures here across much of the Northeast, 25, 30 degrees average. This is centered on March 14th. April 14th. And then we go to April 17th, and the temperatures are around near 50. Then we go also to the 17th. These are the four members of the ensembles, all forecasting temperatures in that region, staying pretty mild here across the southern U.S. This member has cold air hanging on in parts of the Rockies, 30 to 40. These are the average highs, and also here it shows 25 to like 40 degrees. This member is a little warmer here, 40s to about 50 degrees here across the Rockies. That's just an interesting thing to show for the next. This is going out to like April 17th. So that is a long-range weather forecast discussion for March 16th to 28th. Thank you for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.